This dude seen it go right through our parking lot. It's crazy. This is one of our buddy's cars over here. Got sandwiched, man, by this trailer right here. Blew over right up against his car. And over there, got trees down and another trailer that got thrown off the side. Wild. That was the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Crazy. Trees broken all over the place. And back there in our trailer yard, if you can see back, there's a lot of trucks over there that are down. Another trailer over there. I'm gonna walk down at the other side of our yard quick, show you what's up over there. A broken tree there. These guys, man, everybody's amazed. This is the back of it, and those trailers got thrown over the bank. But this one over here that went through the fence is still standing, and that came all the way up from the top of the hill, right through the fence. That's wild. That is wild, man. Two of them and one through the fence. Yo, we saw it, man. That was brutal. There's another one down. Come over here. Show you what's on the other side here. There's another one down. Bam! Right there. That thing was moved. Everything. All our trailer jacks went flying everywhere. Come around the corner here. And then look at this. You see how even these trucks are lined up here? Look at this one in the middle here. How far forward it got pushed. And this one laying here is a full trailer. Down around this corner here, I'll show you a snapped pole in half, because this is where we seen it come through at. Behind these trailers. See that broken pole laying over that light post? Gone. Coming over here to another trailer I see laying over. Wow. That's amazing. But look at these trees here too. They're like ripped out of the ground and moved.
Even marks off right through.
Yeah, they ain't even saying nothing about a tornado on the news, and we saw it. It's wild. Over here across the street. Let's see the front here. I haven't been out this way. Oh, look at that. Right on the side into the other one. Crunch City. Wow. That is wild. And more trees over there. And you got the fire company. That's crazy. Crazy. go down and look at this dude's car again. And it's funny too, because the news is saying it was just wind. Yeah, okay. I don't think wind will do that. Because this one trailer over here was lifted straight up and flipped over into this dude's car over here. You can see it. Looks like our operation might be done for the day here. Because without these trailers functional, our jockey can't move anything. We are done. That is crazy. That's crazy.
You gotta go all the way around. You gotta go all the way around. You can take a picture of that tractor. Come around this way now. Here, right here. You cut through here.
That one over there that moved 50 feet, that's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there and get that again. Two of them laying over there. That's our one supervisor over there taking pictures. He's probably amazed too. Probably don't know what to do. That right there is amazing. Now that is sitting there from over there, standing straight in there.